Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video. Hey, myself Avik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. Google Duo, the Google video calling mobile apps, has been spotted on Android with the new capabilities that let Duo user can make a call other user who do not have the Duo apps installed within the smartphone. These features has been spotted only on the Android. It appears to be a result of a Google Duo merging into the Play services. Although there is no official confirmation about this from the Google. A secret report is on mentioning that the Nexus 6P unit without the Google Duo app installed was showing up as a Google Duo installed on another phone. The user also noted that he was able to make a Duo call to this Nexus P. Google Duo usually displays two lists, one with the name of the user who have installed the apps and the other with the names of the people who haven't. The second list assigns an invite button in the front of the users. Another report on this topic noted that Google Duo compatibility is now a part of a stock Android dialer and allow call to non-Duo user. Once the call is over, apparently the other person is invited to install Duo. This feature is currently being spotted only on Android phones. Additionally, it's only available for a few users on the contact list. So that's all. If you want to know more about the others technology video, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like this video. And thanks for the watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.